that thing down? It's the middle of the fucking night.
Sheriff's Office for Matthias Anderson. Matthias is a 4-year-old white male, 3 feet 0 inches tall, weighing 50 pounds, with blonde hair and blue eyes. Matthias was last seen wearing red Nike shorts, red Nike shirt, and no shoes. Matthias may be with his non-custodial father, Tristan Anderson. Tristan is a 22-year-old white male, 6 feet 0 inches tall, white, and 180 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. Tristan has warrants for aggravated kidnapping and attempted first-degree murder. They may be traveling in a light blue 2012 Chrysler Town & Country van with Tennessee tag number DRY381. If you have seen Matthias or Tristan or have information regarding their whereabouts, please contact the Monroe County Sheriff's Office at 423-442-1212 or the TBI 1800 TBI FIRC.
What the fuck, man?